That already is like 10 million. That is another 10 million. You have good people around you. You have good people around you. Enough of it's open your time. Open it, open it. Open it. It's the gate of your have good friends. Millionaires and millionaires. Open it. 3 boxes, 30 million. 3 boxes, how much? 4 boxes, that's the first one. Maybe. That is 40. Melvin. That's your time. Melvin Shipping Nigeria Limited. The 5th box. Cash. 50 million. 50 lots. 50 lots. Instigator. Melvin Shipping Nigeria Limited. Thank you so much. Of distracting baby. Over the Yankees. Sit down, we are not done yet. We are not done. Everything. Some dollars. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 6. That's 60. 60, 60, dollar, $100 bills, $100 bills, $100 bills.
Are you people come up for road? Can I just my phone?
This is the seventh box. 7th box. 7th box. That is how much? 7th. Ladies and gentlemen, what's that cost in Abuja? Do we see another? Do we see? Hey! Ladies and gentlemen, say 19 million. Take one for tonight. Are you ready? Mercy. Ologu, it is very well noted that Mercy Shipping Nigeria Limited tonight, in less than 10 minutes, spent $100 million. Put your hands together now. Put your hands together now. As Ologu is still on stage, right upon now, ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest.